Salah can go off and have a run, and he might be too quick for them here, Mo Salah. Salah for Liverpool, oh that's brilliant. He made it look so easy, but he had so much to...
They're offside, he didn't get anything on the ball anyway, and Liverpool get on with it quickly. The punt to Salah, De Gea is still on his way back. Salah charges towards him to score! He has his goal! And Liverpool...
Taken out by Jones now, Salah's got half of the field to himself. McTominay in retreat, Salah eyeball to eyeball, seals it! Huge, just huge!
Milner's made the run, Milner's got it, heads it down to the scoring. Here's Salah's opportunity, buys some time and slots it away. It's lucky 7 for Liverpool, and it's 18 on the season for the top scorer Nelson.
Put up running, clicking on Daniels, steps inside him, and gets the shot away, and scores. Fully deserved, and that's 20 goals this season.
A brilliant cross to the far post. Salah's going to have a goal! Absolutely sensational from Mohamed Salah! They get a chance to attack.
Salah is in here. Now, what can he squeeze in? Oh, that's what he can squeeze in. That is just a peach of a finish from Mohamed Salah. On Kane's error. Kane. Running forward, and he's going to go himself, but he goes somewhere. And that's brilliant again from Mo Salah. The 12-3, the icon finish, the Egyptian player. And Liverpool's like Elliot Ashfield. It's Liverpool 1-0. And who else but Mo Salah?
He's such a special player.
It has been played. Oh, and Salah's away. Patrick Hunting. And eventually, hat-trick getting. It's his day again for Liverpool. To the top of the table they go. The only question is, how long will they stay?